Oh, oh, Chongqing. I wanna see Chongqing. Oh, oh, really wanna see Chongqing, Chongqing. Oh, yeah.
We're gonna start out in this little fair right here. People are lining up to get photos with all the roses, which is kind of cool. And we're gonna be exploring this whole space here. And there's just a ton of people. It's a Sunday. It's also a holiday weekend. So it's dragon boat racing, I believe, tomorrow, I think. Right now it's Sunday night. And there's just a lot of people walking around everywhere. So we're gonna try to capture this whole scene and give you a little taste of Chongqing in this giant pedestrian walking street area. So stay tuned for that. Okay, I got something good for you again. Chongqing, video number 32 of 39. So basically what I'm going to be doing is just taking different snippets of Chongqing and putting it into a little video together. This particular one is kind of a tourist area, but it's kind of like a good place to like see people watch. And I'm going to show you a little bit of videos behind me so you can see how interesting it is. Yeah, I kind of like this couple. This is kind of interesting couple, just their clothing and their interaction. Nonetheless, we're going to walk around a little bit and show you. So that's all in the background. This is the map. You probably want to know where we are exactly. This is it right there. And then coming up, we're going to be going into the art museum. We're going to try to find the art museum and find out about this historical building. So that's going to be 3. So that's why you need to subscribe so you can catch number 3 when it comes up. But nonetheless, and number 1, you probably missed that one. But that one was kind of cool because that one there's a lot of chaotic energy and a nice food street. So I'll show you images of that as well. But nonetheless, this is Chongqing. What a cool city! I really love the city a lot, and I'm excited to share more videos with you. But this one is just kind of this tourist spot and kind of a people watching spot. All right, so Chongqing.
Oh, oh, Chongqing. I wanna see Chongqing.
So let's just kind of navigate.
Oh, really wanna see Chongqing, Chongqing. Oh, yeah.
They're all taking photos, so let's see what they're taking photos of. And they're taking photos of this giant whiskey bottle. But I think later there'll be like something will be different here, like a cat or something. But yeah, you'll see a lot of people all have their cameras ready. Anyways, we're gonna just navigate through these crowds. Yeah, they're all taking the picture of that. In some other cities they have it too, like Wuhan and different spaces. Is that the one they're taking a picture of? I don't know. I don't know. Everybody's taking the pictures of that. There you go. What are they getting a picture of? Huh. So I don't know what that... Oh, is it this little aluminum thing in the mid... Oh, I see. Okay, so they're getting pictures of that. So I guess they'll walk towards it. So everybody's getting pictures of that. Okay. Okay, well. So I guess what we're gonna do is we're just gonna navigate, and I kind of want to go on the other side of this. But I feel like I'm missing something because everybody's trying to film that. I feel like they see something that I don't see. So a lot of people are capturing the flowers as well. So we're just going to walk towards the crowds.
Oh, okay, so I kind of see. So we have this pedestrian street, and then we're gonna keep on going down further as well. 1 second. Okay. So I guess we'll try to get a little bit of an idea. So this direction goes down that way. Most of the people are down in the other direction. Yeah, actually it's funny, I was in Wuhan and Chengdu, and they got some really big pedestrian streets. So I was thinking that this pedestrian street was bigger than it is. But it's actually not as big as I thought. There's Motai over there. They're all taking pictures as well. So they're all getting pictures of what's of that scene behind me. I'm not sure what. I still don't know what it is that they like. Is it that image right there that they like? I guess you can see by their cameras. Yeah, I guess they're capturing that, and they're capturing it too. Okay, so I guess what we're gonna do is we're just gonna stroll straight down. And I guess this pedestrian street, it's not quite as, I think Chongqing has several different spaces like this. So this is just one. And I'll label it accordingly down below, of course. Wow. Let me just see what this is called. Yeah, I think this is called Jiefangbei. Which is right there. So I think this whole area is called Jiefangbei. And so yeah, that would actually be the pedestrian street right there, and we're at that stop. And so yeah, I was thinking it was more spectacular, more interesting. I just came out of Wuhan, which has a really nice pedestrian street, and Chengdu, and I kind of think that there's another area that they might all go to in this space. Anyways, I think I'm going to end it for this one, but at least you got a taste. Check out that architecture. And we're just going to end it for here.